Hello there, welcome to my channel. I will be teaching you how to create a foreign TikTok account from your smartphone. A foreign TikTok account, no VPN required. All you need to do is to follow the simple steps I'll be showing you, and you will create your UK TikTok account, most preferably UK TikTok account. So all you need to do, first of all, if you don't have the TikTok app, you go to your Play Store and download it. Now, I've been done that. You have your TikTok app in your phone, so I'm going to open this TikTok app. Now, this I've not signed in any account into this TikTok app. So, if you have an existing account, so all you need to do is to come to this place here. For those who already have an account logged in, right? So you click on this. Where's the So now that you are in this is friends, this is inbox, this is profile, right? So now when we click on this, I'll click on profile. And you learn so now I'm going to what you learn from it. Profile. Then now you see where you see sign up for TikTok. We have use phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Now come to the bottom where you see by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and conditions and acknowledge that you have read our private policy. So what you're going to do now, you're going to tap on this Nigeria. So when you click on Nigeria, other options will come pop out saying you now type United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Now you can use United Kingdom, preferably use United Kingdom. Okay, because there's a point where you do verification, and if you use United States, sometimes it could be or may be challenging. So UK has been proven to be much easier. So now you notice that go down where I say by continuing with an account located in, so you can see saying in United Kingdom, you agree to our terms and conditions. So this time around, what you're going to do, you're going to continue, right? So now that you are in this interface, you can see that the next phase is to continue with Google. Okay, so I'll click on that, then you wait for the interface to pop up. Note that you can't use an email that already has been used to create another TikTok. So maybe you need a fresh email, right? Every account to an email, every account to an email, right? So now I want to click on so where it said continue with Google, right? When you click on it, if you the email on your phone, what I did was that my own just automatically swapped. There's a way I program my phone, but basically you're supposed to put your email address, then you put the password, then that's where you have your nickname, so you can just create any name. At the moment I will do another video that talks about channel optimization, right? So now once you create this account, you are going to log out, then allow it for a minimum of 3 days before you start publishing. If you are in Nigeria or any country that's outside the United Nations or United States Kingdom, and you created a UK account, you are not to start posting immediately. A minimum of 3 days before you can start doing anything on the channel, right? So how do we confirm that this account is a foreign account? You can see that it's writing the name there is at Abu Jim 16. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to do a channel of a video on how to optimize your profile, right? So now I'll click on these three lines at the top right. When I click on it, I'll go to settings and privacy. Now I'll go to accounts. Now when I go to account, you see you have account information, password, passkey, verification. There's a point where you do verification, right? Now you're not going to be doing this verification now, and I say how you can do this verification. Okay, there's a way to go about this verification, but that's not the concern at the moment right now. So we want to confirm if this account is a foreign account, so I'm going to click on that account information. Then you have phone number, no phone number is attached, then the email address, then you can see account region is showing United Kingdoms. right? So this is what you're just going to do. Then you will log out of the account till minimum of 3 days after, before you can um, start doing it on the channel, right? So we have um, TikTok shop for sellers. So these things are on the go. We'll explain more further, but this is just simple way how you can create a TikTok account. I hope you got value. See you in my next video. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to always see notification when I create value like this. Peace out. See you in the next video.